Hey guys, today we are going to be working on a Whirlpool AccuBake gas range with the model number WFG361LVS2. Problem I was having with this one, it's actually it's a lengthy problem, but just follow me and if you get lucky, you can fix it for free. So what it was doing is I would select 400 degrees, for example, and I would hear the gas start up. You can hear the gas start. You would hear one click, and it would light. Okay? So then it would work its way all the way up to 400 degrees. Once it got to 400, the internal temperature sensing system would shut the gas off, and away you go. And it would start baking. Well, as the temperature starts coming down now, the internal temperature sensing system should turn the gas back on. So what it would do at this point is I would hear the gas come on, and I would hear the igniter click 4 times. Click, 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 click. And it wouldn't light. Then the gas would shut off. The oven would wait a predetermined time, maybe like 3 minutes, and it would try it again. I'd hear the gas come on, click, 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 and nothing. It wouldn't light. So for some reason, it was having no problem getting to operating temperature, but it was having a hard time maintaining it. So I pulled up all sorts of videos, diagrams, everything. I couldn't find a fix for it. So I actually got lucky, maybe through reading through a few posts online, and was able to determine a fix for myself. So what I did was, first thing, obviously open the oven up. Next thing, you want to pull this plate off right here. Now, this bottom plate is held on, you can see there's 2 screws in the back. See that clearly or not? One screw right there and one screw right there. You just screw those out probably about 3/4 of the way, and then this panel will come out. Okay, once you take this panel off right here, the next panel you're going to encounter is it's basically like a burner tube cover. This one's kind of a pain in the butt to get off. It's going to have 2 set screws right here. 1, it's hard to see, and 2. I'm not going to take the grates out just because this is a real simple explanation. I'll try to make it as fast as I can. These screws right here, these 1 and 2, those are real tough. Turn them to the left, they just keep spinning. You're going to have to stick a screwdriver underneath both of these tabs and just work the screws out. Once you get those screws out, you can set the burner cover. Probably has an official name, but that's what I'm calling it. You can just set it right here in the door. Now, if you look closely, right here we have the burner tube. So you have the burner tube itself, and then right next to it you have the igniter. The problem I found with this model number, you're thinking, okay, right away, it's probably a bad igniter. Maybe it was a bad igniter, but my $0 and 0 cent fix was very simple. All I did was clean out those tubes. I took a little wire brush in there, I cleaned out those tubes, maybe took a piece of safety wire, maybe 30,000 safety wire, and just cleaned the tubes out, poking it in and out of each hole several times. And then I took a piece of sandpaper and just sanded down that igniter the best I could. So once again, those tubes right there, just cleaned them out the best I could. And that's obviously just the tubes that are going by the igniter. You know, common sense there. And then sanded down the igniter itself. Once I did that, I put everything back together, lit it. It made its way to operating temperature. Once the burner turned off, it would drop down. I'd hear the burner come back on. 1 click, and it relit. That was it. A simple burner tube cleaning job, maybe sanding down the igniter. Saved, who knows, $300 from having to call somebody out to look at this. So, wife was wanting to get a new range and a piece of sandpaper and a little wire brush, and I'm out of hot water on that one. So, hopefully this video helped you out. Good luck, everybody.